So let me tell you a little bit about me. I've tried to be plant-based for the past 4 or 5 years. I'm finding it very hard to eat healthy. I can cook when I want to, but I don't have as much time as I'd like to. So often my cooking ends up being, well, if I'm lucky, it's microwave steamed vegetables with some hummus. And if I'm not feeling so good, then it might just be bread and hummus. So I think I need to do a bit better. And this is why I'm going to try and film myself. And try and film myself cooking. And try and improve. So step 1. Trying to get this kitchen turned into something usable. As you could tell earlier, it was a complete mess. This is what happened after just 2 days of staying at home thanks to the COVID-19 outbreak. The next step, of course, is, no, not cooking, snacking. I love snacking, and what I generally do is get some wonderful bread, like this one. Please excuse my dogs. And dip it into a nice little bowl with olive oil. I love this. However, not the best thing, right? So today, the fruit bowl. Now this is delicious. So I hope you've enjoyed this first episode. It's my first. Probably not any good, but let's see what happens. Please let me know if you've ever tried going vegan or going plant-based before. Maybe you have some good tips to keep me on the right track. And for now, bon appétit!